Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix this interaction failed error on Discord. So basically what you want to do first is verify the Discord server status. So to do that, you just need to open up your browser, then search for Discord status, and this will pop up. I click on that, and as you can see, everything is operational. So once you're done with that, it basically says that the Discord is not the problem here. So the Discord server is not the problem. So once you verified that and your Discord is still not working, you'll proceed to the next step. So close this up, then search for app data. So just like that, percentage app data percentage. Click on OK. Find the Discord here. So here, Discord. Then click on cache right here and delete it. So make sure that Discord is open. So I have mine currently open. So just click on exit or quit Discord right here, the tray bar here. Click the Discord. Then click on cache, then delete it. Once you're done with that, if your problem still does not work when you open Discord, you need to check the Discord web version if it works. So let's check the web version right here. Discord web. So that open Discord in your browser. As you can see, the web version works. So the problem here is your Discord client. So what you'd want to do, what I suggest you to do, is uninstall Discord. So click on uninstall right here, and we'll bring you to this, and find Discord. So right here, click on three buttons right here and click on uninstall. So once Discord is uninstalled, basically you need to install it to get it right. So open up your browser again, search for Discord download. There, then, or just simply search for Discord and click on the download right here. And click on download for Windows, and it will basically download this Discord setup.exe, and you just need to click that and open it up, and you're now good to go. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.